cruise nila guys. Oh. So, habang nagta-travel kayo, at the same time, pwede kayong kumain dyan. Itong area na to is dining cruise. Yun naman, yung pang boating lang talaga siya. Dun sa area na yon, pang boating lang, while here is for dining cruise. Ang ganda ng Clarke, no? Na kami ng Clarke. Ewan ko kung saan naman kami pupunta nito. Alam ko madadaanan natin yung Rainbow Bridge, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. Oy, pot. This is the River Wokondo. Ang init.
On your right is Boat Quay, and its stretch of colorful
Boy, careful ha.
houses. It was completed in 1842 and is Singapore's very first quay.
Careful yung ano mo.
In the 1960s, Boat Quay handled 3/4 of Singapore's total shipping business. The sheltered riverbanks made excellent loading and unloading places. Back then, the whole river was chock-a-block with thousands of boats.
Uy, meron dito yun oh. Babi ko, may Hans I'm Black dito oh. Yung kinainan natin na Germany. Ayun oh, German restaurant, yung Hans I'm Black.
The precious cargo was shouldered across gangplanks by immigrant laborers known as coolies, whose blood, sweat, and tears formed the very backbone of our nation's rise to prosperity. Wonder why all the shophouses are concentrated on just one embankment?
Wow, ang sarap ng hangin. Nice breeze.
Only on the south bank of the river.
Nice breeze. Guys, sa $20, 40 minutes kayong iikot.
In Chinese culture, this majestic fish is an auspicious symbol of good fortune and a great place to store wealth. These first immigrants believed that this part of the Singapore River was where prosperity and wealth could be found. That's also why many banks and businesses started up here and eventually developed this area into our current central business district. Some shophouses have been retained.
Ayun yung Marina Bay Sands. Ayun. Ayun yung National Civilization Museum. Ah, ang ganda, diba?
In other words, the higher the building, the wealthier the owner. Perhaps these traditional beliefs.
Ayun yung papasok pa tayo doon sa bridge na yun.
Tall skyscrapers of Singapore's financial district towering over the Boat Quay shophouses. This is the perfect place for snapping pictures, so enjoy the 360.
Minsan pasok tayo dyan sa Asian Civilization Museum. Maraming mga history dyan.
Set against a modern and progressive backdrop. See how the shophouses form a charming contrast of Singapore's developing years.
Ayun yung Fullerton Hotel.
This truly is a uniquely Singapore sight. By the way, are you feeling hungry? Hawkers and their pushcarts used to line the riverbanks, selling local dishes that were cheap and delicious. A bowl of Teochew porridge cost only 10 cents. Better yet, side dishes were free of charge. Every day, the people who worked and lived at the river would eat at these pushcarts, sitting on little stools along the river banks. Perhaps that was how al fresco dining got its start in Singapore.
Hindi, may isa pa, yung tulay na rainbow. Yung kung saan yung national artist, isa sa, may ambag siya doon sa pag-decorate ng ano ng bridge na yun. Ayun na ang Marina Bay. Ayun yung durian. Kita na dito oh. Naandito na kami guys, sa around Marina na kami. Ayun yung Pan Pacific. Ayun yung Mandarin. Ayun kung nakita ninyo yung durian.
Directly
Yan
ahead
na.
is Kavanagh Bridge, completed in 1869 and named after Colonel Sir William Arthur Kavanagh, Singapore's last governor. It's Singapore's only suspension bridge to have retained its intricate original form. It was manufactured in Scotland, then shipped to Singapore later to be assembled.
Ito na yung Kavanagh Bridge. Yan ang Kavanagh Bridge.
So look out and don't forget to duck as you cruise under the bridge. Just kidding. Coming up on the other side of Canada Bridge, you'll see a group of little boys jumping into the river. Don't worry about jumping in to save them. They're actually incredibly lifelike bronze sculptures showing a scene from the river's past, where children would stand and wave cheekily from their houses. Very often they would take off all their clothes and jump in for a cool afternoon swim. Standing tall and majestic is the exclusive Fullerton Hotel, which blends the elegance of old world charm with every modern convenience. Built in 1928, lots of paper pushing went on behind the hotel's splendid columns.
Ito ang Fullerton Hotel.
Its facade is a
Tapos yan yung Victoria Memorial Hall, yun doon.
denies its much stuffier original occupants, the Chamber of Commerce offices.
Ito yung
and
Anderson
the post
Bridge.
office, from which mail was transported along the Singapore River
Yan.
to and from ships.
Anderson
Since the
Bridge.
1950s, this was also the site of many political campaign rallies, but even longer before that, it was occupied by Fort Fullerton, built to defend the town at the mouth of the Singapore River.
Aso na kaya yung bridge na ano, very colorful? Hindi yun, hindi yun. Ito na, marina na to. Ayan yung durian. Yan o, yung
This
nakikita ninyo.
promontory to your right used to be home to the merlion, Singapore's half-lion, half-fish icon.
Yan,
The lion
andito na kami sa
stayed
marina.
around for 30 years before it was hauled by barge to its new home in the bay.
Dito
in
naman tayo sa kabila,
2002.
bebe ko. Yan, this one is marina.
I call this. It's gone.
I still like the baby.
I didn't want to.
Yan, marina na to. Marina Bridge.
My phone screen looks funny.
Ganda. Ayun yung floating apple. Yun yung bilog na yun. Yun. Yan yung mga business district. Nandito na yung business district. Ayun yung merlion yung nagbubuga ng tubig. Pero ngayon walang tubig.
As promised, up next is Merlion Park, home of the original Merlion statue. To understand our unique national emblem with the lion head and fish body resting on a crescent, but according to legend recorded in the Malay annals, Prince Sang Nila Utama renamed it Singapura, meaning Lion City in Sanskrit, after he spotted a lion on its shores. The lion's head represents the lion spotted by the legendary Sang Nila Utama, while its fishtail symbolizes Temasek and Singapore's humble beginning, fishing village. Measuring 8.6 meters high and